Hi everyone. On Windows 11, the mouse is one of the most essential tools we use daily to navigate and interact with our devices. By default, the operating system sets the left button as the primary button, a setup designed to cater to the majority of right-handed users. However, for left-handed individuals or anyone who prefers using the right button as the primary one, Windows 11 provides a simple way to make this adjustment. Switching the primary and secondary mouse buttons can make using your computer more comfortable and intuitive. Whether you're left-handed or simply want to customize your setup, this quick guide will walk you through the steps to change your mouse settings in Windows 11. First, open the Settings app on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu, or by using the shortcut Windows key +I. Next, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section from the left-hand side of the Settings menu. This is where you'll find options for managing connected devices, including your mouse. Next, click on the Mouse option located on the right-hand side of the screen. This will open the dedicated page for mouse settings, where you can customize how your mouse behaves. Next, locate the primary mouse button drop-down menu. By default, this will be set to left. Click the drop-down and select right to make the right mouse button the primary button. Once you've completed these steps, the settings will take effect immediately. The right button on your mouse will now function as the primary button, making it easier for left-handed users to interact with Windows 11. If you ever need to switch back to the default settings, simply repeat these steps and select left in the drop-down menu.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.